Just flying around right now just to make sure there isn't anyone here. There's some birds here, I see. Someone running with their dog right there. Well, I don't want to make it seem like I'm stalking her, so let's fly away from her. That's the freeway right there. So let's come down. Let's go past this tree. There's someone right there riding their bike. Let's not go under there. That was a little difficult to navigate through. Make sure no one's on this path. This is nice. Fall photos over here, always a hit. And first time seeing it with the drone perspective. So pretty nice, nice. This bridge got closed off, okay. Well, I can still fly there, but in case anything were to happen, I won't be able to get to that site to get my drone, so. 15 miles per hour. You know, sometimes it's weird hearing things but not seeing them. You know, I don't know how to explain it, but like, for example, I heard that lady walk by me, but I didn't see her. But I saw her in the goggles a little later, but I didn't hear her. If that makes sense. Sometimes just trippy. I'm gonna aim for that gap right there. Go through the tree. I know it's not that crazy, but it's crazy for me because, see? That's trippy. I did not see those branches there. Okay. Anyways, this was a fun little place. Beats all the other places in the area that I've gone to that are just regular normal parks with playgrounds and whatever. So the trail was a cool add-on. I've actually never been this far because I've never had to, and it seems like my transmission is starting to cut out. No, we're good. Okay. All right. Let's accelerate a little bit. I'm going 10 miles per hour, 12. I really wanted to practice curves, you know? Okay. I've been flying for around 10 minutes and it's freezing cold. Should I try going under the freeway? Why not? Ambient light 2 weak. Okay. And that's a train track right there, so we don't want to mess with that. I'm back.